the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. A storm system will affect the region from late Friday through Saturday, bringing locally significant precipitation and gusty winds. At this time, the majority of the The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota. Warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for select watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. This is Weather Radio Station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin.